I hope you all doing well. So in here I've got the homemade fertilizer, and I'm putting some more water in there. I removed it from the two 5-gallon buckets. So this is the 55-gallon drum that I'm gonna need more than just 10 gallons. So yeah, in here I've got the charcoal, a couple fish heads, bananas, banana skin, plantain skins, moringa leaves, tomato. So what I'm gonna do, I think I'm just gonna make it halfway full and dilute it definitely before I water the plants. It smells kind of funky. It does smell. That's why I'm gonna definitely dilute it before I water the plants, because I want my neighbors to remain happy. Yes, yeah, so that's it. Bubbling goodness. All right, guys, so yeah, that's it. And I'm definitely gonna cover it. I'm gonna come out here on occasion and stir it up, add some more stuff to it, That's it. Alrighty, be good to yourself. Peace out. Later.